Good morning, my friends. Guess what we have today? We have sunshine. I apologize. My dog is chewing on something right behind me, so it's going to be a little noisy till I get it all figured out. Anyway, we're going to go ahead and do the time trial between the Gosun solar kit and the Gosun Go. I have thermometers. I have a stopwatch. We're ready to go. We have 6 mini corn dogs each because they're quick, easy, they're self-contained. You can usually tell when they're done. And they're actually, they thawed just a hair, but they are still pretty frozen on the inside. So I'm going to go ahead and set up real quick, show you to set up, and we'll go from there. All right, friends, here we are. I have it set up. So I'm actually going to show a how-to video on how to use this. This is actually not as user-friendly as I thought it would be, or I'm just really accustomed to the Gosun Go. So I will do a video for those folks who actually might be having trouble. But right now we have our little indicator telling us, where it is, telling us that we're lined up pretty good. Initial temperatures. This one started off about 54 degrees. This one started off actually at 64. I had these sitting down, face down, so I'm going to say that this probably heated up just a little bit because it was sitting in the sun, and this has darker colors. So I'm not really sure. But otherwise, I think we're looking good. We're looking solid. So hopefully we can get a really good test going. As you can see, it's already spiking. It's already jumping up. I just did that. So we'll go ahead, start the timer. All right, stopwatch is started. I'll see you guys in 10 minutes. Here we are, friends, 10 minutes later. As you can see, the Gosun solar kit is at 180 degrees in a 10-minute period, whereas the Gosun Go is at 129 degrees, which looks awesome. So I'm pretty sure that's not even close enough to being ready. So actually, I know it's not. So I'll see you guys in 10 more minutes. And we're back at another 10 minutes. So we've been cooking for a total of 24 minutes. The Gosun solar kit is at 266 degrees, whereas the Gosun Go is currently at 172 degrees. So not half bad. I thought, well, while we're here for the moment, I will go ahead and double check the inside of this where it's nice and steamy. That looks pretty good. Let's see. I always check the end one because that's where it's closest to the opening and is less cooked. Okay, so that's warmish, but not warm enough. Bear in mind, this is coming straight from frozen. So, nonetheless, still pretty good. We'll go ahead and check this so we can do a side-by-side comparison. Let's see. That is cold, like dead cold in the center. So, that is pretty good reference. So whereas when they say that things can cook in 20 minutes in this, I do believe it, but not for items that were rock hard frozen when you put them in. So that's still pretty cool. Nonetheless, I'm going to go ahead and come back in 10 minutes and see where we're at. Hopefully this one will be done. And like I said, the end piece, which is usually the coldest, is fairly warm. It's like a lukewarm, so hopefully in 10 minutes it'll be much warmer and ready to serve. And then what I'll continue to do is time in 10-minute intervals how long it takes the Gosun Go to go from frozen to piping hot and ready to eat. So I'll see you in 10. Holy smokes. So here I set this to go high enough because I figured I don't need the timer set temp. I just wanted to test the temperature. So right now we are at 311 degrees in the Gosun Solar Oven Kit. Holy smokes. So this was after, what, 30 minutes total? Oh, yeah, those are really done. They're probably overdone. So I would have said probably about, where are we at? 39. So I would have put it at about 35 minutes and that would have been good to go and done. So I'm not even gonna worry about testing that with the fork. I will test this one with the fork. This one's at 295. Let's see. You can hear my rooster. He's pretty funny. And that's warm. So is where it was before on the Gosun solar oven 10 minutes ago. So that one will probably be ready in 10 minutes. So I'll go ahead and see you guys in 10. Here we are, friends, and that timer went off as well. And we're at 322 degrees Fahrenheit, which is pretty cool. We're at the 50-minute mark. I would say these are ready to go. Probably don't even need to pierce it. Alright, so under normal circumstances, I would actually probably cook this for about 30 minutes and then kind of hold it out just like that to crisp these up a little bit, because this one's a little mushy, but that one's a little mushy because it's at the front anyway. But that's how I would roll that with that. Overall though, like I said, I would say the grand total bake time for this one specifically was about 45 minutes or so, because I was doing 10-minute intervals, because 5 minutes, 5-minute intervals would be a little bit more chaotic for me right now. But so I put this at about 45 minutes from test time, or I'm sorry, from the freezer with frozen corn dogs. And then I would put the Gosun solar kit at about 32 to 35 minutes or so from frozen, which isn't half bad. I will be doing more videos featuring recipes that are more suited to the Gosun Go and the Gosun solar kit, because they are a lot more affordable and they're just, nice to have anyway. And I actually have a lot more of these than I do the bigger ones, for obvious reasons. So I have one for each one of my kids, and I might actually get the solar oven kits for each one of my kids so that we can just throw their meal in and it'll be ready. We usually do a lot of stuff that's mostly fresh, so it would be ready in 20 minutes versus probably about the half hour with the Gosun Go. Anyway, thanks for watching our video on the time difference between the two of them and kind of like this cute little race or whatnot. If you liked the stuff you saw in the video, I'll include links to that. If you're using the Gosun website to buy your items, be sure to use the sales code that I'll post down there. It's at no cost to you. In fact, it'll actually give you a discount and kind of helps me just a little bit too. I will even feature a link to this. This is actually a really neat solar panel. This one's from Lion Energy, and with the exception of the Gosun 30, this is probably one of my other go-tos for other reasons. But I can feature that in another video if you guys are interested in learning why it's one of my favorites. So anyway, I will catch you guys later. Please be safe out there, be healthy, be happy, and I'll see you guys next time.